Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, August 19th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we may be having pancakes and sausage. For lunch, sloppy joe. Tomorrow for breakfast, yogurt and cereal, and for lunch, barbecue fajitas. Today's announcements. I hope all of our students brought back the device agreements and acceptable use policy forms today. Please get those out of your backpacks and folders and turn them into your teacher. Miss Moore's class is the next class. It is 100% complete. And Miss Lee has also gotten back all the forms for her students that have been in her class. Way to go, students! Good job. Almost every class that had most of their forms turned in, and that is awesome. You'll be getting your devices to your classroom very soon. I know we've already gotten out devices to most of our 5th grade classes and our 4th grade classes. We're working on our 3rd grade classes. So 2nd and 1st grade, you'll be getting devices very soon. And kindergarten will be getting yours to you soon too. Late duty, today is Miss Battaglia. Also, some more announcements. Dismissal. Keep doing a great job at dismissal, students. Daycare van riders will again be called all together to come to the front hall by the library. We practiced it yesterday, and they did a great job at this yesterday. It was a good procedure. Daycare van students, you did awesome. Yesterday was our fastest car line yet. Woohoo! Keep up the good work on the inside, and we'll keep them rolling on the outside. Masks. Remember, all faculty, staff, and students in 2nd grade and up must wear your mask at all times unless you're eating. Everyone, please help each other to mask up and keep us all safe. Students, please remember it is also a good practice to wash your hands often during the day. Wash your hands every time after you use the restroom and at other times when you have the chance. Let's keep those germs away. Important dates. August 25th, we have PST meetings. That will be next Wednesday. September 3rd, your vector training certificates are due to Nurse Eaton. That was the online training that's been emailed to you. September 6th is Labor Day. We will have no school that day. The Environmental Studies Center is doing an art contest. It's open to any students in Mobile County schools from kindergarten up to 12th grade. There will be different groups. So for our school, we would fall into the grade band of K through 3 and grades 4 through 5. The theme is Wildlife of Mobile, and your artwork must be turned in to the Environmental Studies Center by Monday, October 13th. If you would like more information about participating in this art contest, you can talk to Miss O'Neill, and she may be working on something for us to be able to submit also, or you can ask your teacher about it. Today's word of the day is analog clock. An analog clock is a clock that shows the time by the positions of the hour hand and the minute hand. Remember, the hour hand is the shorter hand on the clock, and the minute hand is the longer hand on the clock. So the analog clock is the one that has the numbers that go around in a circle, and it has an hour hand and a minute hand. The other kind of clock is called a digital clock. So our word of the day for today is analog clock. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Shepherd Scholars.